We have a digital air fryer toaster oven. So this is a snazzy blue color, but it does come in different colors. I just love the look of this. It is a touch screen, digital screen, really easy to operate. You just simply plug it into an outlet. So good for a college dorm room. It does beep when you plug it in to let you know that it is powered on. Portable, so good for an Airbnb, a college dorm room, or just a nice toaster oven air fryer. So I love to use these to reheat leftovers like French fries, hot dogs, easy stuff like that. But you can cook things as well, like pizzas. We're going to go ahead and talk about it. So this is what the inside looks like. There's heating coils here and here. This tray makes it really easy to clean because when things drip, you can remove it, clean it, and simply put it back in. So easy to operate. You just hit power and you have a full digital screen. It says toast, bagel, air fry, pizza, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, warm, and then you can do custom settings. Right here is how you turn the light on, or right here is how you turn the light on. And then you adjust the function with this. So see, I move it. It says bagel, toast, pizza, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate. So I'm going to reheat French fries. So I'm going to do bake. And then this is the time. So we're at 30 minutes. You move this time and you can adjust. So this adjusts the heating to 365. Click it, and now we're going to adjust the time. So 20 minutes. And then you can hit this button to get it going. So it preheats the oven. Once it is preheated to 365 degrees, then we can put our food in there and it will cook. I think we said 25 minutes. That might be too much for French fries, but I just want to show you how it works. It does come with accessories, so these would be good to put the French fries on. Here you can bake things like a pizza. I washed it so it's dripping wet. And then this is a rack, so if you want to do things that have, air or direct heat from the coils, you would put it on the rack. So they slip in really easy. Like that. But we're going to wait until the preheat button turns off so that way we can bake. I went ahead and put the French fries in there. Oh, it's hot. So it's still on preheat mode, but I just wanted to show you that it cooks even on preheat mode. You can cook things from raw. So you can put a raw chicken, you can put muffins, but I love to use it for reheating, maybe doing toast.
So it beeped, preheat is over, and now we're gonna hit go, and it's gonna do the 25-minute countdown.